Okay, I thought I'd give a little bit of training on IBO Toolbox and what can be accomplished with it for free, because it's a very powerful tool for getting more people to view your debit card profits page and everything that that we give you a link to. We are going to send you a link that looks pretty much like this. Only thing, it will have your code in there in the link. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit profile, and as long as we're doing this, it usually takes a little bit of time for that page to load up. And so, but I will show you what can be accomplished, because when you go down here on this page, basically, you might have something like this in here, and that's the front page. When you go back and you click on this link right here, it's going to load your front page. Well, that's just saying anything there, like I said. So we're going to put something else in there, but here's what I wanted you to look at right here. 15 today, and this is being taken at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. This month, 212, and the total for this year is 5,673 views, right to this IBO social page. And when you join with IBO Toolbox, you get a social page that you can, a lot of people are doing searches online to find opportunities and things like that. And they're going to, these are non-IBO Toolbox members, many of them. They come here and they're checking this out, and they're doing whatever they can. And what we want to do is we want to be able to put something in there so that they can actually display your page. What you need to do is you need to go into the edit profile and go down to that front page, the step 5 IBO front page. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and you're going to take the HTML. Now you're going to take that out of there, and we're going to send you a link coded for you that looks a lot like this link here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually copy that over, and we'll copy it over, and we're going to just paste it right into there. And then we go down to the bottom of the page there, and we save it right off the bat right there. So it's saved, and it's going to load in there, and you see you get the page actually loaded in there. Well, what we need to do with that page, because I don't want to keep that video playing in there, I'm going to stop that for a second. But I'm going to show you.
Hello and welcome.
Exactly what that page looks like now that we've put that in there with the coding in it. We're going to go up here, and right there is the IBO social page, and it gives you your statistics too. Visitors today, system-wide, is 41,357, 841,577 for the week, and for the month, it's 4,574,227. My personal visitors for the month is 200, for the week is 114, and for just today is 14. And one of those might be my visit because I did click on that. But here's what shows in let me stop that video.
Hello and welcome.
All right. But you see, what you get here is you get the whole page. And that whole page is in here. And when they fill out this form, it's coming from that page. So I can actually see that you're the person that referred them to this. It's coming from your page. Okay, so then because you saved it and everything, when people do happen upon your IBO social, they're going to learn all they need to know about debit card profits. They put their information in here. I receive that information saying that you referred them, and I send them to your Build-A-Biz Pro website that we built for you, and that's on your sponsors page as well. So everything ties in together in this, and I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, give me a call at my number 931-638-6244. I'm Tom Howard. I am the owner and the administrator of Debit Card Profits. Thank you. Have a great day.